everybody, come on in to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Today we're making peanut butter chocolate chip cookies because Billy loves both. You give him a Reese cup and he's happy. So we're going to try the peanut butter chocolate chip cookies, and I know he's going to love it. So first off, I've got some flour here. I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to put in a teaspoon of baking soda. That's it for the dry ingredients. So let's stir that up a little bit and put that aside. Okay, now we're going to put in 1 cup of butter. So butter, peanut butter, chocolate chips, all up his alley. So 2 sticks of softened butter, room temperature butter. And we're going to give that a mix. Got it? All right, I got my butter all mixed up. Now we're going to put in 1 cup of packed brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar going in. We'll mix that up just a little bit here into that butter.
That's a whole lot of sugar going on.
And a whole lot of butter. And I'm going to have a bigger bowl because, you know, my bowl keeps getting smaller every time. Why do I not know that?
I think I'm going to get you a gigantic one.
I have all kinds. Pretty ones. All right, so we've got 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. Not the all-natural. Just regular Jif.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the natural.
Choosy mothers choose Jif.
And choosy wives.
And choosy grandmothers.
And great-grandmothers.
Hey, I ain't that yet. Well, I am, I guess.
Oh, yeah, you are.
All right, we got that. Let's get that stirred up a little bit.
Ooh, I can smell that peanut butter. Mmm.
That's bringing it out in him. Like, ooh.
Hello, darling.
All right.
Hello, my sweet friend.
So let's put in a teaspoon of vanilla or whatever. Okay?
Let's do the whatever.
It's up to you. It's your cookies.
I do whatever. It's because I'm a rebel, so I tweak it.
Yes, you know. Okay, we got that. Now, let's pause the hair so I can change. All right, we got a bigger bowl. We got a pretty bowl here. One that was my mama's. So we're going to put in 2 eggs now. These are going to be cooked at 325 degrees. So there's 1. And 2. Okay. So let's mix these up real quick. Then we're going to put in our flour and baking soda. A little at a time. We'll do it twice. Guys, if you want to hear Billy sing, we have a TikTok. I don't know if I'm allowed to say it.
Just say it.
Biker Baker Mr. Smith. There's no and in that because it don't let you do that. So I'm starting to put some videos up of that. He's got a couple shorts on there right now. And I'm going to try to put up the full video here in a little bit. So he's singing one of them, or both of them may be hymns, I think, just partial. but I'm going to try to put up the full videos. So that's just something else. He likes to do it, and he's trying to get practiced up for going to some nursing homes and singing to people. That's what he wants to do. So I'm behind him, and we'll go together, and we'll maybe take some goodies or something with us. And he's been feeding, well, we both do, feeding squirrels and birds. And they say, we've got all kinds of blue jays and cardinals and robins and all that. But they say that blue jays, when they want to thank you, they bring you presents. Well, the other day, he just dumped out a bag of dirt, garden soil that he got for flowers. And I was right behind him out there. Well, not right behind him. Maybe, I don't know, a few minutes later, half hour, hour later. And I saw something shining right on top of the dirt. And here is a necklace that I found. It's a cross necklace. So I'm assuming his blue jay brought him a present. It says that they bring shiny things in, and that's where we feed them. So I think he got a present. The other day, I saw the one of the blue jays have something in his mouth, and I was like, I wonder what he's going to do with that. And he came down and got nuts and left it. And it was just some leaves or twigs or something. I don't know if it was a nest he was building, and then like, ooh, nuts. But he left it in place and took a nut. So I think they're being appreciative to him. Bringing him gold.
Yeah.
Like, well, maybe that'll buy his bag of next month. Nuts. A bag of nuts.
Spit it out, baby.
Yeah, I can't. All right, so we're going in with a bag of mini chocolate chips. Use whatever you got. I buy the mini. So there's that. And you're just going to stir this up. And we're baking, like I said, at 325 for 15 minutes. We're going to do it on a lower heat because we want a softer cookie. So I'm going to mix all these up, and we're going to stick it in the fridge, and then we'll come back. I'm just going to leave it in there just about 15 minutes or so, and then we'll be back. All right, guys, the cookies was in the refrigerator for about a half an hour, whatever, just a little bit to chill them. My oven is preheated to 325. And I've got a parchment lined jelly roll pan here. Is what we're going to bake on. Now, you can see my parchment paper has been used before for cookies. I reuse them. So if you're not reusing them, try it. Save you some money.
Yep.
That stuff is so expensive that, you know, just when you're done, because it just has a little bit of crumbs on it. And wipe it off. Fold her up a little bit. I reuse it. For years I didn't, and I thought, I'm going to try that. Works fine. So I'm making some cookies here. This is my tablespoon scoop, or tablespoon and a half. I'm not sure. I might have to make sure so I can.
Your big scoop.
Yeah, my big cookie scoop.
There you go.
Because Billy said...
Big or small, we like them all.
He ain't playing around. He wants the big cookies.
You just have to eat more when they're smaller.
Yeah. He said, I can't eat 12, but I can eat 6.
Yeah.
All right, and I've just got a little bit of sugar here. This is optional. You do not have to do it. I'm going to put a little bit on the top here. And then I'm going to press these down just a little bit with my fork. You know how peanut butter cookies are. I'll try that here. Put a little bit of sugar on that. I'm not going to smash them down too far.
If you like peanut butter cookies and you like chocolate chip cookies, this is a combination. Should be fantastic.
Should be, he says.
I think it will.
All right. gonna put them puppies in the oven. But I have
A skillet in there.
my iron skillet because I just washed it and greased her up and put her in there to dry. So, and don't let people tell you you can't wash your iron skillets because we do.
You just have to reseason them.
Just grease them again and heat them up so those pores get soak in your oil. All right, so that's going in the oven, 325 for 15 minutes. We'll show you when we're done. All right, guys, it was in the oven for 15 minutes. I've got one batch here. We got some out of this because, you know, they were delicious. Just saying, before I even show you a taste test, I've already been into it. And I'm not a big chocolate chip fan, but with the peanut butter, I love these ones. And I've got another batch in the oven. And, of course, Billy wanted some pecans in his. So I put some pecans in the very last batch.
Yummy.
He's waiting on that one. He's like, why do I have to be last? All right, so let's go for this cookie here. Like I said, I already know. You see how thick they were, and they spread out to this thin, which is a perfect cookie. It's still soft on the inside, a little crunchy around the edges like a peanut butter cookie should be.
Mm-hmm.
It took 9 ingredients, guys. That's so good. I get me a Diet Mountain Dew and finish that
Oh!
off.
Cup of coffee or ice cold milk.
I knew it. He would say that. But I know there's other people out there with me who drink.
That just makes me cringe when you say Diet Mountain Dew with
I
cookies.
get up in the morning and take me a sip of pop
Oh.
before I make my coffee.
I'd throw up.
All right, guys. So don't forget to follow us on the other social media, and you can hear him sing.
It's TikTok. You can say it.
I don't know if we can say that.
Yeah, you can.
He did.
I just did.
All right. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out. Peanut butter chocolate chip cookies.
How can you go wrong?
Have a great day.